Hi everyone. In the previous video, we solved exercise number 8.1 from the Emil Agarwal book Matrix chapter. In this video, we are going to solve exercise number 8.2. In this chapter, you need to know matrix addition. We have already made an introduction video where you can find matrix addition. So now let's start this exercise. So this is problem number 1. It is given that M is this matrix and N is this matrix. We need to find M plus 2N. Okay, so we already have M, but we need 2N. Okay, so 2N is nothing but 2 into this matrix. Okay, now you need to multiply every element of this matrix by 2. Okay, that's why this 2 into 2, okay, 2 into 0, okay, 2 into minus 1 and then 2 into 2. Okay, so this is 4, 0, minus 2, 4. Okay, now we have 2n as well as m. So now we will find m plus 2n. Okay, so this matrix plus this matrix. Okay, now addition is simple. You just do position wise addition. That means 2 plus 4, 0 plus 0, 1 plus minus 2, 2 plus 4. Here you see. Okay, and after the addition you just get this answer. So this is the answer. Okay, now this is problem number 2. Here A matrix is this and B matrix is this. We need to find 2A minus 3B. Okay, so we need 2A then 3B. That means we need to multiply this matrix A by 2, then we need to multiply this matrix B by 3. Okay, so 2A is 2 into this matrix. That means you have to multiply every element of this matrix by 2. So 2 into 2, that is 4, 2 into 0, that is 0, 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6, 2 into 1, that is 2. Okay, similarly this is 3b, 3 into 0, that is 0, 3 into 1, that is 3, 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6, 3 into 3, that is 9. Okay, now we have 2a and 3b. We just need to subtract them. So this matrix minus this matrix, this is again similar like the addition. You just subtract elements position wise. So 4 minus 0, this 0 minus 3, this minus 6 minus of minus 6, that is plus 6. So minus 6 plus 6 and then 2 minus 9, 2 minus 9. Okay, and this is the answer. Now this is problem number 3. Here this matrix is multiplied by sin A and this matrix is multiplied by cos A, and then we need to add them. Okay, so this is the problem where you need to simplify. Okay, so you just multiply first. So sin A into every element of this matrix. That means sin into sin A, that is sin square A, sin into minus cos A, that is minus sin A cos A, sin into cos A, that is this, and sin A into sin A, again sin square A. Okay, similarly this cos A has to be multiplied in this every element of this matrix. Okay, so cos into cos, that is cos square A, cos into sin, so cos A into sin A, cos A into minus of sin A, so minus cos A sin A, and then finally cos square A. Okay, now we just need to add them, these two matrices. Okay, so position wise you just add these elements. So sin square A plus cos square A, which is this, minus sin A cos A plus cos A sin A, which is this. Similarly sin A cos A plus of minus, which is minus cos A sin A, which is this, and finally sin square A plus cos square A. Okay, now we know that sin square A plus cos square A is 1. These two are the same quantity, just signs are opposite. So it will be 0. Similarly this will be also 0 and this is 1. So this is the answer. So this is problem number 4. Here there are 3 matrices. A is this matrix, B is this matrix, and C is this. We need to find A plus 2B minus 3C. Okay, so we already have A. Now we only need 2B and then 3C. Okay, so 2B is nothing but 2 into this matrix. Okay, so we have 2B now. Now what is 3C? 3 into this matrix. Okay. Now we have all the matrix A, 2B and 3C. So A plus 2B minus 3C, that is equal to this matrix plus this matrix and then minus this matrix. Okay. So you do directly. That means this plus and minus you do directly. Okay. So 1 plus minus 4 minus 0. Okay. You just add position wise and subtract position wise also. Okay. So 1 plus minus 4 minus 0. Similarly 2 plus minus 4 minus 2 then minus 9. So 2 plus minus 2 minus 9. Similarly minus 2 plus 2 minus 6. See here 3 plus 4 minus of minus 3. See here, and you just calculate it, you will get this answer. Okay, this is problem number 5 part 1. Okay, here given our A matrix is this and B matrix is this. We need to find a matrix X such that this equation holds. Okay, so from this equation we can write X equal to B minus 3A. I am just putting this 3A on this side of this equation, nothing else. Okay, so we already have B matrix, we just need 3A matrix. Okay, so 3A is 3 into this matrix, that means 3 into 0, 0, 3 into minus 3, that is minus 3, 3 into 1, that is 3, 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, so we have 3A now and B now. Okay, so just need to find X, which is B minus 3A, which is this matrix minus this matrix. Okay, so just subtract position wise. So 1 minus 0, 2 minus of minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 and 1 minus 6. Okay, and you will get this answer. Okay, now this is the part 2. Here you need to find X. So from this equation X equal to 2A plus 3B. I am just putting this 3B on this side of this equation. Okay, now we need 2A and 3B. So 2A is 2 into matrix A, which will be this. You just calculate it. Similarly 3B is 3 into B matrix. You just calculate it and you will get this answer. Okay, X equal to 2A plus 3B. So you just put it 2A and 3B. Okay, this matrix plus this matrix, and now you just add them. Okay, position wise 0 plus 3. Okay, minus 2 plus 6, which is 4, 2 plus minus 3, which is minus 1, and then 4 plus 3, that is 7. So this is the answer. Now this is problem number 7. So here given that this equation, see here in this equation matrix is there, also one quantity M is there. You need to find this quantity M. Okay, so from this equation we can write that 2M equal to 3 into this matrix minus this matrix, isn't it? We are just putting this matrix on this side of this equation. Okay, so it is here. Then first you do this calculation. So 3 into this matrix, that means every element of this matrix should be multiplied by 3. So after that you are getting this matrix. Okay, and this matrix is there. Now you do the subtraction. Okay, you do it position wise. So 9 minus 1, 8, 6 minus 4, which is 2, 0 minus of minus 2, so it is 2, minus 9 minus 3, which is minus 12. Okay, so this matrix is 2M, but we need M only. So M is 1 by 2 into this matrix. I am just dividing this 2 on this side of this equation. So this is nothing but every element of this matrix should be multiplied by half. Okay, so it is 8 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2 again, and then minus 12 by 2. So finally answer is this. So this is problem number 8. Here 3 matrices are given, A, B and C. We need to find a matrix X such that this equation holds. Okay, now from this equation what we can write? is 2x equal to 2b plus c minus a. Okay, we are just sending this a on this side of this equation. So this is plus and this is minus now. Okay, so you just put the value of b, c and a, and after that you are getting this. Okay, now you do this calculation. Okay, so for that first you need 2 multiplied by this matrix, which is 2 into 2 4, 2 into minus 6 minus 12, 2 into 2 4 and 2 into 0 is 0. Okay, and these matrices are there. Okay, now you do this plus and minus, you do this directly. Okay, so 4 plus 4 minus 2, this minus 12 plus 0, then minus of minus 6, that is plus 6. Okay, then 4 plus 0 minus 2, this 0 plus 2 and then minus 0. Okay, and after calculation you are getting this matrix. So this matrix is 2x. Okay, 2x. Okay, but we need x, so x will be half into this matrix. Okay, half into this matrix. Okay, so this matrix, every element of this matrix will be multiplied by half, which is 6 into half, so it is 3, minus 6 into half, so it is minus 3. Similarly, this 2 into half is 1 and again 1. So this is the answer. Now this is problem number 9. Okay, you need to find two matrix x and y if x plus y is this matrix and x minus y is this matrix. So these two equations are given. I am calling this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Okay, so from 2, that means the second equation, we get that x equal to this matrix plus y. Okay, I am putting this y on this side of this equation, that's why this. So now put this value of x in 1, equation number 1. Okay, so after that this will be y plus y, 2y, and this matrix I am sending this side of this equation. So 2y is nothing but this minus this. You just calculate it, just do the subtraction. 7 minus 3, which is 4, 0 minus 0, which is 0, 2 minus 0, which is 2, 5 minus 3, which is 2. Okay, this matrix is 2y. Okay, we need y. So what is y? Y is half into this matrix. I am just dividing this 2 on this side of this equation. Okay, so we have y. Now we need to find x. From this equation, you just put the value of y in this equation and you will get the value of x. Okay, see here, this matrix plus this was the value of y, so I am putting it. You just do the addition. 3 plus 2, which is 5, 0 plus 0, which is 0, 0 plus 1, which is 1, 3 plus 1, which is 4. So this is the answer. This is the last sum of this chapter. So here this equation is given. Okay, you need to find the value of x and y. Okay, now from this equation you can write, see, this 2 is multiplied by this matrix, so multiply every element of this matrix by 2. So 2 into x, see, 2 into 7, 14, 2 into 9, 18, 2 into y minus 5, that is 2y minus 10. Okay, now this matrix and this matrix is there, so this is the equation now. Okay, now this plus this, so do the addition. So 2x plus 6, 14 plus of minus 7, that is 7, 18 plus 4, 22, and 2y minus 10 plus 5. Okay, see, so after calculation we are getting 2y minus 5. Okay, now this matrix equal to this matrix, that means you do comparing position wise. Okay, what we get, 2x plus 6 equal to 10 and 7 equal to 7, there's nothing to compare. 22 equal to 22 again, and 2y minus 5 equal to 15. So we are getting these two equation. Okay, from this equation you get the value of x is 2, and from this equation you get the value of y, which is 10. So this is the answer.